Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to transfer file and apps using nearby share on Android to Android device. Open the file manager on your device. Tap on APKs. Select any APK or any other file. Tap on a send or a share. Now find the nearby share and tap on it. Tap on a continue. Make sure turn on location and Bluetooth to connect nearby share on your device. Tap on allow. Now you can see, make sure both of your device enable location and Bluetooth. Now here we can turn on Bluetooth. Now you can see the device nearby sharing. Tap on it. Tap on a turn on. Wait until searching your device. Tap on a continue. Now you can see your nearby device name. Tap on it. Now you can see the permission access. Tap on accept in another font. Now you can see transfer the APK file. You can send any other photos, videos and other downloaded apps using this nearby share feature on your device. Now tap on a done. It's quite easy to transfer multiple files using nearby share on your device. That's it. Please like it, share it.